What are the main three things that home inspectors look for inside of your home? Hi, it's Rupesh, and in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to discuss the things that home inspectors look for when they're inspecting your home. Most home inspectors are going to look at your home from top to bottom, and in today's video we're going to look at the main things that they'll focus on when they're inspecting your home. The first thing they're going to look at is the roof. They're going to be looking for any missing shingles, they're going to be looking for any active leaks, and they're also going to be looking at the gutter system that you have, and also checking out the air vents, and if you have them, the skylights that you have. So when you're selling a home, you really want to make sure you have all those areas tightened up so there is no issues when the inspector comes. The second thing that the inspector is going to be looking at is the structure. The inspector is going to be checking out the foundation, going to be looking for cracks in the foundation, going to also be looking for water damage to the supports or to any of the siding that's there. The final thing the inspector is going to really focus in on is the utilities of the property. They're going to be checking the electrical, the plumbing, the heating and air. So make sure those items are being checked out prior to putting your home on the market, so that way you can go ahead and get them taken care of before you actually put the home on the market. So if you have any further questions on what inspectors look for in a home when they inspect it, or if you have any relevant real estate questions I can help you with, drop us a line, shoot us a message. Be glad to help you. Thank you.